What's up, guys? Welcome back to Picket Build. We are going to spray some parts using this Golden CAD Eastwood system. What we're trying to do here is replicate the zinking process, and the dichromate is kind of a golden sealer that goes on top of the zinc plating. And the only problem with that is it's a little expensive, and so Eastwood has this Golden CAD system that kind of duplicates the OEM look. And so we're going to check this out and see how it looks on these parts. We have all the parts laid out that we are going to paint. Basically all the striker plates and door hinges and things like that. Okay, first thing we're going to do is use a little primer. I've got all these little bolts set up on these little platforms so we can knock the heads too. Got everything primed. Let's go ahead and take this system out and take a look at it. So basically what we have here is, this is the golden base coat, and then there's a green zinc and a red zinc, and we'll base coat everything with the gold, and then we're going to come back and just lightly touch in random areas with the red and with the green, and that's it. Alright, so this is after one coat worth. Okay, we've let that dry long enough now. Let's try with this red zinc. Okay, now we're going to come back with the green zinc, and we're going to spray it at a little different angle and hit random spots on it. Let's let that dry for 24 hours, and then we will come back and see how everything looks. been drying for a good 24, actually 48 hours now, and so let's get all this back on the car.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Well, I'm really happy with how everything turned out, and this Golden CAD system worked great for everything. Now I can finally close this rear hatch and get this thing ready for being able to drive. Well, that wraps it up for another episode. Appreciate you guys watching. Until next time.